Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you so much for joining today's webinar, whether you're watching live or the on-demand recording. I'm Jennifer Bagley, CEO of CI Web Group. And as a reminder, we have a whole host of on-demand trainings you guys can attend anytime. Of course, you can pre-register for our webinar series called reInvent, which has a new topic every single month, or just register and wait for the training to come out because you guys can watch it at your leisure. You'll get notifications on a weekly basis every time you register, and those trainings are done every Wednesday evening. In the middle of all of that, we also have a lot of kind of one-off trainings. Those are also included in the on-demand library. So feel free to jump in there, check out a topic and see what you're interested in. Today, what we're gonna do is talk a little bit about our e-commerce solution. So I'm gonna share screens and let's get right to it. First and foremost, as you guys come to ciwebgroup.com, there are two different areas that you may go. If you already have a website that you love and you don't want to replace that, then you're gonna go to the HV8 e-commerce add-on. If you do not have a website that you love, you want to replace what you have, maybe it's an older site, a website with less design, maybe it's not performing well, maybe it's old or outdated or not compliant, then you're going to go under website services and you're going to click on e-commerce sites. Those are your two options. So we're going to start off with, you already have a website and you just want to add the e-commerce functionality. So we're going to dive right into HVAC e-commerce add-on. Once you come into the site, this is going to give you three different options, okay? This is the simplest way to understand these three different options. The intro version. This allows you to sell and drop ship products that are already in our inventory and shipped from our partner's warehouse directly to your customers. These would include furnace filters, water panels, other consumables that we can put on your website. You set the margin or the markup. All you do, forward your customers to your website. They have the ability to search through those items. They can set up a simple shipment for one item to go to their home, or they can set up recurring delivery so that they have these particular filters sent to their home every 3 months. They're on auto or repeat order, and now you play Amazon's role. So a lot of times I'll hear dealers and they'll say, oh, I just tell all my clients to go to Amazon. You can, or you can offer the ability for your customers to frequently come back to your website or to place a monthly recurring or quarterly or annual recurring auto ship from your company to their home. It's going to increase the top of mind awareness about who their HVAC company is. It's going to allow you to improve your overall monthly recurring revenue. And people want to feel good about working with the local business. You guys, you have to find something that differentiates yourself, since sending them over to a big box retailer is not necessarily always the best reason. So the dropship fee is really simple. It's $10. There is absolutely no cost to get this done. No cost. CI Web Group will take care of the implementation on your website. All we need is an administrative login and password. We'll jump into your website, whether we built it or not. We'll create a shopping page. We'll do the integration with your system and your website. All we need is you to sign up online. You're going to go through the onboarding process and you're going to fill out all your information. Once you're done, you're going to submit a help desk ticket by sending an email to help@CI Web Group and just let us know that you're ready for us to integrate your e-commerce system into your website. Send us a login and password. We'll log in. We'll take care of it. Ta-da! You're done. All right, that's that. So the next version is, so the first version is products, i.e. filters, sold on one time or monthly recurring subscriptions. It's auto shipped from our vendor partners distributor. So and it covers all the different kind of manufacturers. That's done. Put that to the side. No cost for that. It's a great way to get e-commerce going on your website and start having those conversations, changing your technicians and CSRs Conversations to include the fact that you and your websites have the same conveniences as other major retailers. Next, the Pro version. So the Pro version, you have the ability to sell and drop ship those same items. In addition to that, you have the ability to sell services on your website. So we've already created the products inside your back office for you to be able to sell your fall tune-up, your spring tune-up, a maintenance agreement. If you have multiple maintenance agreements, you can put those on there. It gives you the ability to sell services in the form of a one-time or monthly or quarterly or annual or semi-annual recurring subscription. So for $99 a month, this will have you completely set up to be able to showcase your maintenance agreements, your tune-ups, any other monthly recurring subscriptions you may have. And you can do that all with one application. Again, same process. You're going to watch this video. You're going to choose the Pro version. That means you want to sell products, filters, and services, tune-ups, maintenance, virtual sales appointments, virtual sales, period. And that cost is $99 a month. Sign up on here, complete the onboarding video, which you'll also have in addition to this, and send an email to help@ciwebgroup.com with your login and password to your website. We'll take care of getting that integrated. That's that. The charge now, instead of a $10 dropship fee for all of the product deliveries, it's a $5 dropship fee, and the cost for your services is 2%. And that's it. Next. The third and final option is, this is for someone that's a little bit more aggressive with how they want to take their e-commerce to market. This includes the ability to sell and drop ship filters on monthly recurring or one time. You can also build in unlimited amounts of services that you want to sell online, again, as a one-time or monthly recurring subscription. You also have the ability to sell fully installed HVAC systems. This is where a consumer can come and they can search by heating, air conditioning, or both, choose the size of the home that they have, the space where their system or equipment is stored. So is this the attic, or is it a basement, or is it outside the home, and so forth. They also have the ability to determine, do they want to finance this option? Do they want to add additional add-ons such as your warranty, your maintenance agreement? Maybe it's a Wi-Fi thermostat or some other IAQ products to that system installation as well. This is essentially going to help you provide a good, better, best scenario, something you may have done previously on a tablet sitting at their kitchen table. Now you have the ability to do that online. Now, here's the deal. You can make that technology available either requiring their information before that pricing is displayed, or you can showcase your good, better, best pricing without having or the consumer having to enter in lead information. It goes both ways. You also have the ability to show good, better, best with no pricing available. So those are kind of your options. So one is a consumer comes to your website and they're able to go through the process, and they can only see the final price when they put in their name, their phone number, and their email address. Or two, they can see the prices and the low monthly payment based on financing immediately. Or you can show good, better, best, the systems, for a conversation, and then request a quote so they don't actually get to see those. So it gives you the ability to display those products on your site for consumers who want to be able to research products themselves, want to feel good about doing their homework, or because, for example, my kids, my 20-somethings, it's just what they do. They are going to want to do that research in advance. They're also the ones who are going to pay the highest price. They're always going to pick the best one because they don't know what to pick. They just want to know that they did their homework, that other people love you. And they're probably going to wind up choosing the most expensive version because that's their mentality. So it's important that when you're in this plan, that you see the differences as far as your drop ship fees. Again, those are going to be $5, and your invoice or your fee for the system sales is 1% instead of 2%. So it changes. Next is they also have the ability, your consumers have the ability to come to your website, plug in an invoice number, put in the amount, and make a payment towards an open invoice. So you can take payments on your website. You can sell anything that you want. You can build anything in here. So we have dealers who have offered plumbing services. We've had dealers who have done UV lights and added those on a monthly auto ship. We have dealers who are offering a $29 virtual service appointment that's included in there, and so forth. So you have the ability to offer any products and services. I have a gentleman that's doing propane delivery on docks. I have another gentleman that's doing gas delivery to homeowners who have floating homes in Seattle, Washington. So there are tons of different things you can do. Sky's the limit. Come up with products and services you want to test or sell. You can easily add them to the back office of your system. They'll be displayed in either the product area, the service area, or the full system area, depending on which one you add. And that's pretty much it. Those are the basics. So when you're on our website, all you're going to do, you can start off with getting started here and get your account created. Or if you're ready to start selling services on your website, just click the pro plan. Or if you're ready to start selling systems and you want to compete with the majors, then just click on get started here. You can sign up right online. So for example, as soon as you come here, you're going to just put in your information, your credit card information, and click sign up, and you're ready to go. If you want to try the free version first, the intro, then just get started here. Fill out all of your information. You'll notice there's no credit card information. Click sign up, and someone from our team will give you a ring. We'll also send you an email that has the instructions for how to set up your account. And then you're just going to, again, submit a help desk ticket to help@CI Web Group, and we'll take care of getting it integrated on your site. So to test out the system, you're just going to click on this link down here, and this is going to give you a view of the full system, all of the different pieces. So when I said sign up for the free version, you're going to click on products here, and you can sort by brand. That is title, SKU. You can sort by price, highest to lowest, as well as relevance. You can also filter by brand, and you guys can add any other brands in here you choose, and you can order by filter size. So this gives you some examples of some new products that we were just helping a dealer put in here. They don't have prices on them yet. I'm going to go over to page 2 so you can see some that were already in here. So for example, the April Air 516, this is allergy and asthma expandable air filter. MERV 16, this is a 1-pack as low as 113. You guys can set these prices. You can set your margins. I'm going to go into see all buying options. This gives you the ability to sell singles on a one-time basis, or we can sell packs or multi-packs. And we have the ability to change this. Instead of a auto delivery, or instead of one time, we can change it to an auto delivery. There's discounts available, and you guys can set the percent discounts. So obviously we want somebody to get on auto ship. We're going to offer a great discount, and you can easily change this at any time by altering your mark up and mark down in the back office of the system. They choose the quantity. Click add to cart. It's going to take them over to their cart here, and that's going to include, this is the specific filter that they are buying. This shows them it's on auto delivery. That was the original price. This is with the 10% discount. They're going to receive that auto delivery every 3 months. They can proceed to check out from here, and then they'll fill in their base information, hit submit. The order is placed. You, as the dealer, simply get paid. You do not have to worry about shipping these. You don't have to worry about sourcing them. You don't have to worry about managing the orders or anything else. You now have a new customer on recurring subscription. This is called mailbox money. Again, continue to build those things into your business that are going to increase your top of mind awareness. Make yourself provide the conveniences of the major retailers that are out there, and give yourself the ability to improve your bottom line by adding monthly recurring revenue to the things that you guys get used to. So they can place their order directly from here. The way to build or bake this into your brand, consumers, again, I'm just going to remind you, they want to do business with local providers. They do want to support their community, but we have to tell them that's what they're doing. They don't automatically think because they're subscribing to this that they are helping a local business owner in their local community. This is something that we have to bake into our brand at every level within our business. All right, so that is the products. This entire section, this is free. There's no reason you shouldn't sign up for it. Sign up for it, go through the onboarding, submit a help desk ticket, boom, you haven't spent a penny. You now have product sales on your website. Next, this is when there is a cost. This is the $99 cost, and it's a monthly subscription. This is when you're adding services to your website. So services, for example, we've already included these. You don't even have to think. Sometimes people are wondering, what am I going to sell, or how am I going to build my maintenance program if they don't have one? This is already in there. You could just make modifications to it. If you already have one, you can add those into the system easily as well. So this would be the gold maintenance plan, for example. This is customer gets priority status, other kind of perks that you may want to add in there. Maybe they get a discount on parts and replacement. Maybe they get VIP, or they get urgency support for repair or service appointments. However you want to include those, they can sign up and you can choose, do you want it monthly, quarterly, biannually, annually, or any other kind of option available. They can add this to the cart as well. I'm going to go back to services. So for this particular version, we also have a spring tune-up and a fall tune-up with the ability to add to cart. And then as you add other things to cart, you'll notice that we have our air filters in here. Maybe we were originally going to sign up for a spring tune-up and we realize it's going to cost us a lot less if we just get signed up on a maintenance agreement, and we can do that online. So we have filters, auto delivery, and our maintenance agreement. This entire services area, you can add any other services that you want. So adding a virtual sales appointment, where someone can pay $49 to jump on a phone call or a Zoom meeting or a FaceTime meeting and try and troubleshoot an issue. If you can help walk them through it on video, we have dealers that are doing that on a regular basis, making money all day without having to travel anywhere. In today's climate, that's obviously something consumers have wanted for a long time, and now it's just become a higher demand item than even just the e-commerce alone. Next, so if you sign up for free, the products area is going to be included. If you add the services, that's the $99 a month, and that gives you the option to sell one-time and recurring subscriptions. And then finally, if we move to the biggest package, our Pro, we're going to move over here. This is your ability to sell systems. So remember, in this bucket, the configuration in the back office will allow us to either show everything, good, better, best, with pricing, with financing, no information required, or I can configure this to say, we'll go through the whole process, but before we display those prices, you need to give your contact information. That's an option as well. So for this one, the consumer would come and click on Get Started. By the way, this section by itself can be added as an element on the homepage of your website, or this whole system can be put on a page called Shop. So we could do /shop, and we could make it part of a full e-commerce option, or we have the ability to place this on interior pages throughout the website. So if you don't have strong call to actions throughout your website, this is something that can easily be placed on more than one page. Just remember, the more times you have this embedded in your website, it does negatively impact the page speed of your website. So usually the two places that make the most sense is having a button on the home page that says they can shop online, get a quote, get an online estimate, check pricing online. and having a page called Shop. That's usually the best integration option. Next, they'll go through, let's say they're looking at cooling, and we're going to go medium. They're going to choose, for example, we'll go basement or crawl space. And the system is going to start building those quotes and estimate based on the information you have in the back office. So you choose the products you want to have inside the system. We have specific manufacturers that we already have all those products loaded because of our relationship as the preferred digital marketing agency with them. So if they're already in our bucket, we've already got 99% of the work done for you. We can just get those integrated. You guys can choose these fully installed prices. These are just quick items you can put in there and say what you want to put from a price standpoint. You can also choose what are the add-on products that you normally would include with your quote. So we can add additional indoor air quality items, for example, whole house air humidification program. And you can also add warranties as well as maintenance agreements. So if you want your dealer, if you want your consumer, you want to teach them how they can finance their maintenance agreement, a 5-year maintenance agreement with the purchase of a new high efficiency system, you could make those available inside here as well. It gives you the ability to show what your one-time investment is or what your investment is if you pay on a financing program. So it will say pay over time, prices as low as blank. Gives you the ability to click to financing so they can go ahead and apply for financing right then to see if they qualify. And any kind of confirmation. So that could be the confirmation number from your financing option. Then they have the ability to add to cart. And for this particular order, they have their entire system, their maintenance agreement. We already included inside of the plan. So we're going to take this out. And we already have our filter, for example. So this gives you kind of a way that you guys can go about showcasing these items as well. And they can proceed to check out from here. They'll fill in their personal information. They can choose pay over time or pay in full delivery where they're going to have it. It'll have their confirmation number from their financing company and so forth. And you guys can set these, you can set your products and services. So sometimes we'll have dealers that only want to be able to sell products and they want to be able to sell anywhere. So if you're looking to buy this particular system, or maybe you want to buy this ductless system and you want to sell, or you want to purchase this anywhere in the United States, then you can set a product to be available anywhere. So maybe I'm going cooling and I'll do the same thing, but this time I'm going to choose wall mounted and ductless. I'm going to choose 2 ductless systems. Sometimes our clients will have these products displayed without installation. So product only with no requirements for it being local. So it just depends on your scenario. If you want to offer filters sold on a national basis, so anybody who finds your site, you'll put them on auto delivery, and you want products to be only with installation. It just depends on how you guys want to take this to market, on how you're going to configure the system itself. And the final piece that is pretty simple is they can come here, click on invoices. This is what the 249 option. They can put in an invoice number, put in the amount, and make a payment. There is no fee or payment from this. Whatever they pay, that goes directly through Stripe into your account. And they would just put in whatever that amount is, hit add to cart, and they could pay that invoice line item right here. So this is one invoice that would have the invoice number as well as what the amount is, and it makes it really easy for people to be able to make payments online. The system is clean. It's simple. It's a great way to start advancing your brand. We also have the ability, if you add the chatbot, which the chatbot is a $50 a month additional investment, but we also have the ability to add the chatbot, and the chatbot can drive people over to your e-commerce system, help them pay an invoice online. It can take them right here to where they need to pay an invoice. The chatbot can be programmed to allow them to get an estimate or a quote, to collect information. It basically works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and it generates leads while you sleep. And it can be fully integrated if you happen to have both the e-commerce application as an add-on on your website, as well as the AI chatbot. Now they can troubleshoot, they can shop online, they can pay an invoice, they can order filters, they can do everything completely automated from your website and your AI chatbot, your artificial intelligence chatbot. That is a way to run a business with no human beings. And the majority of the work is done by the technology you have in place. So I hope this has been helpful. Again, you guys can go under our website services. Just simply click on HVAC e-commerce add-ons. And then we also have full sites if that's something you want us to completely redesign the site and get it so that it's really designed to be more of an e-commerce, a transactional feel as well as informational. We can do that as well. So with that, I hope you have a fantastic day. Signing out. You guys make sure you come back for the tutorial on how to configure your system once you have it set up. And other than that, get signed up. Might as well get started. Have a great day. Stay safe, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.